When I purchased this e-bike from Engwe the T14, the tail light or signal light is only a reflective version, and I was fixing my e-bike brake's lever. I've noticed that there is one extra wire that isn't used, and since I'm using only a reflective version, so this might be a connection for tail light. I was thinking to upgrade it to a real signal light. So I was checking online, and Aliexpress has in a very cheap price, and now I received my order. Let's see if this will work. Since I'm using a 48 volts controller, I need to find in Aliexpress a tail light that supports 48 volts. And I tried to study first the diagram of the controller also, and then it matches my tail light choice. So now it's time to try and use this as my tail light. As you can see, this is only a reflective version. I was having two choices, either the USB rechargeable or the direct connection with the controller. The problem with USB rechargeable tail light is that you need to turn on and off before and after using. Charging separately for me is bit hassle. While having this tail light version that is connected directly to controller, well, it is hassle-free and worry-free. It is very effective when you hit the brake. But before fixing in the right position, let's try first if it really works. The controller was placed underneath this seat cushion, which is very near to tail light. My order has 2 pin, but only one will be used. The bigger one, or I may say the female pin. As the diagram says that the yellow and orange wire color is for brake light. So let's insert this. And now let's hit the brake lever. Yes, and it works, so I will be having now the real signal light. And now it is time to fix in the proper place. And since the wire is a bit longer, might as well be in the box. One thing isn't good. Only the right side of the brake lever is working for the tail light, or signal light. And that's it. If you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe, and your comment is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching.